Good morning, gang. Nice cool morning today. It's only about 13 out right now, which I'm alright with. It's nice and mellow. The sky's clearing up here. It was cloudy around 5:30, about 6 now, and yeah, it's opening up. Not gonna be too hot. It's gonna be a perfect day, I think. Let's get these big buggers fed. Well, you're looking good. Sure can tell she's Dexter. Chuckers. Are you doing T-bone? Baby have the shits or no? Oh yeah. Got a bunch of work done on this rake yesterday. All the arms are back on, lubed and moving. I think I'm still gonna open up all these bearings on the actual wheels themselves and repack them and whatnot. They're all turning all right. So apart from plumbing this and packing the bearings, we're almost there. And then I'm just gonna go pick up some new tires because these things are pretty torched. Garden is just popping like crazy after those rains. Opened up the tomatoes yesterday and the cabbage. We had them all covered there for that storm. Got cutworms in some of the tomatoes. I lost a few, not too many. And like I said, we had 120 planted, so a couple losses, not so bad. Here you go, biggies. There you go. Morning, Georgie. King of the castle, eh? You know, he's sure wrecked a lot of that hay, but that was I don't know, about a 1,200 pound bale, and it's been there since there was snow on the ground, so it's done well. You look thirsty? Here you go. Morning. How are you guys doing? They look good. Holy. I guess you know we're early when the lights still aren't on. There we go. Morning, ladies. Very soon. Holy, you guys get fed like crazy? Food in here. What's going on? Boy, look at the frickin' mess you guys make. Excuse me. Maybe. Seems pretty good and thrilled. Man, look at the soil they pulled out of here, that little bugger. Well, that's it for the feed. Make sure this guy's locked in. Yeah, we're good.